Here are 3 stretches for a stiff back. So I was painting all weekend and I woke up this morning and I was over like this and all of my back was just sore. So I thought this would be really good today. First one is the windmill. So it's going to give you a nice rotational twist. So we're just going to widen our leg. We're going to wrap our hand all the way down to our foot and just hold until you release. Coming back up and doing the other side. Second one is our cobra. So we're going to come all the way face down. We're going to just pop our hands underneath our shoulders and lift up until you can feel that back stretching and just hold until it releases. Third one is a nice lateral stretch. So you're going to find a wall. We're going to just pop our arm all the way up, have our feet come out from the wall and drop our hip down and in. And if you want a little bit more overpressure, you can just grab that arm and pop him to the side. If you found this helpful, share and like it with your friends. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist, and I'll see you on the next one.